Okay, well, we're headed out of the bay, and been raining like hell half the night and all morning, and all of a sudden there's a little break. So thank you, powers above, and I'm gonna see what happens out here after the rain. I'm hoping it brought in a few. 26 feet of water. The good news is I got my hydro flask dented by a Chinook salmon full of hot coffee with a shot of whiskey. So regardless of the squalls that may come through, I'll remain comfortable. Boy, I'm really hoping for a hit today. I've had 2 days of nothing, and I need something. I need a hit, baby. Well, right ahead of me here to my left is Osprey Point, which is where all the Walmart fishermen come and throw lures. When the fishing's good, there'll be 10 to 30 of the greasy bastards out here, but obviously not a soul today. Oh, one thing, the tidal coefficient today is 100, which is huge. There's like 8 feet of difference between low and high tide, so there's a ton of water coming in and out of this bay today, which again normally would be a good thing. Oh my God, I got one. I got a fish on. Look at that beautiful fish. Oh, hell yeah. He netted. Oh, I want this one bad. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Come on, wait. Bring him up. Come on, fit in the net, baby. Fit in the net. Here we go. Shit, just missed. God damn. Tide is blowing me all around. Boy, he's pretty. I want to see this guy so bad. Don't break anything. I know. Come on. Bring his nose. Oh, he went down. Good battle, boys. That's a good battle. Come on, baby. Come on, Silver. Let me have you. Come on. Yeah. In the net. In the net. Woohoo! Alright. I'm going to let this boy go. This beautiful silver salmon. Umpqua River silver salmon. See you later, pal.